welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tootie. In today's video we're going to be doing a maintenance vlog. Today is September the 11th. Y'all, it's 9/11 today. Like, that is crazy. Like, whew, RIP to the ones who lost their life on this tragic day. But today is 9/11 and it's about 11:28 right now. And today your girl got a nail appointment. When I go to my nail appointment, she gonna do my nails and my acrylic toes. So excited for that, y'all. I have not had maintenance done in like so long. I really been on a stay down because I've been focusing more on school and stuff like that, but it's time to get cute. Okay, it's time to get cute. So in today's video, I plan on getting my hair done, my nails and toes done, and my eyebrows done. I'm not gonna get my lashes done just because, like, I've been into the strips. Like, I love the strips, but I might show y'all me, you know, like putting them on or something. I don't know. But yeah, so I have an appointment at 3 o'clock. It's 11:30 almost. So yeah, see y'all at the nail appointment. Excuse this AC. I'm here at my nail appointment. It is 3:01. I made it here exactly at 3. I'm just sitting here, but I'm gonna go ahead and go in. I'm gonna show y'all the set that I'm going for. I'm going for something like this. So yeah, let me go ahead and tell her that I'm outside so she can come get me. Yeah, I love my nail tech. Like, I haven't been here so freaking long. I miss her. Like, I can't wait because we be having like therapy sessions. Yeah, we be having therapy sessions. But yeah, she said she coming, so I'm about to go ahead and get out.
Conversation is so boring. Heard about what I hate her, I don't agree. I did it first, I give a fuck, I just want fuck, peace, sleep, love, happy. Can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy? Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me and not call me after? Can you hate on me and mask it with laughter? Can you leave me to the yard with the password? I need you, man.
Okay, y'all, so I got my nails and my toes done and they look so good, and I just feel so good because I have not had my nails and toes done in 2 months. Like, that is very much crazy to me. So I'm excited, y'all. I'm happy about that. But yep, that's all the maintenance I'm doing today. For my hair, I want to, that's rude. Hello? But yeah, before my mom rudely interrupt me, I got my nails and toes done and I look good and I feel good and I'm happy, y'all. I've been so like not in the mood for nothing just because of my appearance, but I'm getting it back together. I love maintenance. Like, maintenance is my favorite thing ever. I love looking and feeling good. That's just that. But yeah, I'm on the way to Kroger. See y'all when I'm doing more maintenance or something. Okay, y'all, what's today, mama? Friday, Thursday?
Today is Thursday, September the 14th. She's supposed to know that because what is tomorrow?
Her birthday.
No, what is tomorrow?
Houston.
The 15th.
Your birthday.
Oh my God, you slow.
It's your birthday, that's what I said.
I said the 15th because I said the 14th.
It's still your birthday.
Yes.
Anyways.
Okay.
I thought that's what you was expecting me to say, your birthday.
Okay.
But yeah, y'all, she finna do my hair. Y'all, look at me. My hair is not done, like, whatsoever. The quick weave is done. I just gotta blend the leave out and stuff. But yeah, this is how it looks. It's kind of like highlighted or whatever. But I have to run and go get my eyebrows done real quick before the nail shops close. And so yeah, so that's why I gotta go like this, y'all. Got my little naps sticking out. This is so good. This is like a ghetto maintenance vlog, okay? Stepping out halfway done, but I'm gonna fix it up. We're gonna dress it up real cute. But let me just go get my brows done first, because I cannot go without my brows done. And this maintenance vlog is for Houston and we leave tomorrow. But also while I'm out, I might go to the beauty supply store. I'm still debating, or I might not. I might do that in Houston. I don't know, because I don't need nothing for real. I'm trying to think. I don't know, y'all, but I feel like getting my brows done, cause this right here ain't cutting it at all. Like, no ma'am, no ma'am, no ma'am.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Like Stanley Kubrick. This is some visionary shit. Been trying to film pleasure with my eyes wide shut, but it keeps on moving. I blame it on the model bra with the Hollywood smile. Stripper booty with the rack like wow. Never forget ya, you put me on a feeling I never had. And ever since I've been trying.
I got my brows finished. Now I'm finna go home and finish my hair and put some lashes on. Stupid windshield wipers. Thank you. Yeah, because I'm looking halfway cute, halfway a mess. So yeah, let me go back home real quick. So I'm back at home, and as y'all know, I just got my brows did. I had to leave the house and go get my brows did before the nail shops closed. It's 7:31, and I'm gonna go ahead and start on my hair. Like I said, my mama glued the tracks in, and for the quick weave, and I'm just gonna do the leave out part. I feel like I could do that. If you know, I don't do hair. I can't do hair whatsoever, but I feel like this should be easy. So I'm gonna plug up my hot comb, turn that on. All right, y'all, so this is all leave out, and really I just need to section it off because I don't need it in my way. I'm gonna go ahead and just flatter these bundles. And it's supposed to be giving like a highlight effect. It came out cute. Y'all see it? Yeah, it's supposed to be giving like hot effect, but I'm gonna start with the back, of course. Okay, y'all, before I actually start for real, screen protecting first, okay? I said screen protecting. What is this? Flat iron protecting first for your weave, your hair, your natural hair, just for hair. Cause yeah, we ain't trying to burn up nothing.
On this flexin' nigga, he from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with this shit, she told me where he be, I say for sure. Baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, Vaughn, you already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes? Jimmy Choo, with a handbag too. Red up, baby, boo, she get the smile. She ain't used to this, she ain't used to shit. I'm just laughing, could've been the way I move my lips. I be speeding, could've been the driver, the way I push the whip. You a hoe, could've been a bitch, the way you throw a bitch. But fuck that, right back to the script, cause this a major league. He got bricks, plus his neck and icy, and it matches wrist. Now it's like 6, told her hit his phone, meet her in the whip, but he ain't go. But he ain't that slow, say meet him at the store. I'm like, cool, let him run his move, do what he gon' do, cause this the plot. Put him in the pot, let it cook like stew, I grab my Glock. If it do a lot, but it's this you like, no, we at the top. Yeah, we lost a lot, but that's just how it go. But check the scope, if y'all lose one more, that's 6 to 24. Let me focus, can't be zoning out. He pulling up now, he double pop. He ain't getting out, he in that push to start. That new Porsche is built like a horse, colors like a fork. He got a ring, I guess he ain't divorced. Wife probably a whore, now she woke up, she strutting her stuff. This bitch thick as fuck, got in the truck, kissed him on his lip. He cupping up, crouching like a tiger, like Snoop off the wire, the block on fire. So I take a cost, mess with Michael Mike, I'm on his ass. He finna be mad, he gon' beat her ass.
Okay, y'all, so I pretty much got it as straight as I can get it. Just for right now, I'm gonna go back over it again. But now I'm gonna start on the leave out. So I'm gonna separate my hair from the weave. So I'll put this in ponytail and work on the leave out.
I know that you're drunk. Tell me what you want after this club. You know you're nasty. Move around my house, try to taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to sell this drug. You so in love, you ain't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. Feel like a bit too much. Let's get naughty, yeah, I need all ya. Feel like a bit too much. Yeah, let's party, yeah, I need all brand new. He's acting like they running, they really ran through. I spend that 500 before I ever trap you.
Okay, y'all, so hair is done. Like done. Like what leave out done. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some lashes on just cause that gives a complete look, and that's it. Let me go ahead and put them on. I got these lashes I'm gonna put on. Ooh, I gotta cut them.
See the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. She make you pay, rich, get you both. Gave a Bentley to valet and let that try to boat. Let me pop off, leave the club, sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks out. Heard from the south, he trying to see me knock his socks off. Told him, meet me at the top, think they got lost. I'm on go like Riz. She thought I would kiss her, she must ain't took a mess. Around my neck, it comes to arm and leg. Swear they said for life, I let them give me print. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke.
Okay, y'all, so my battery is about to die, okay? But this is the end of the video. Your girl got her hair done, okay? Hair done, brows done, lashes put on, okay? They still look good, strips look good either way. Lashes put on, and then nails and toes. So that is all for this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to your girl, and become a homegirl. We're on the road to 2K. Thank y'all all so much for watching. Love you all so much. Mwah.
Counterfeit, better keep my name up out of mouth. They been trying.